from River State. I'm from Kano.
From where?
I'm from River State. I'm from Kano.
Which part of Ghana?
I'm from Uyakara.
So tell us what you were doing and why we are here.
I was in a local community when they arrested me with some students. They were 5 in number. So that is what happened.
So why are you dressed like this now? Why are you dressed like a police officer?
Are you a police officer?
No, I'm not a police officer.
So why are you like this?
Answer them.
What do you do for a living?
I drive Keke.
You drive Keke, so why are you dressed
Why are
like
you
this?
on police uniform? Just introduce yourself. Why are you dressed like this?
It's a fake police. I'm a fake police. I was just there with them when the arrest took place.
You are with them where?
I was with them at Lebo village when the arrest. When they did the arrest.
How did you get the uniform?
I get it from command here. That was 2021 also. 2021 when the place was still at that side.
Where?
When the market was still at the other side.
So you came there and got it.
Yes.
I started using it.
Yes.
How many operations have you gone?
I've not gone to any operation.
How did you with loaded guns?
I just used it to follow one of my friends to that local community. That is where I was arrested.
To do what?
Who gave you the gun?
I bought it.
Where?
I bought it from a friend.
Who is that person you bought it from?
His name is Boychi. We call him Boychi.
Where is he staying?
I don't know actually where he's staying. But we meet
For
at
how
the road.
much?
I bought it at 850,000 naira.
So how long? How many operations have you taken this rifle?
This is my first operation before they arrested me.
When you bought the rifle, what was the intention? Why you buy the rifle?
Nothing yet. No intention.
No, why?
This is the first time I've used it. I use it.
So why did you buy the rifle? Why?
Since 2021.
I keep it.
Using it for the first time.
I keep them for my house. I never even use myself. I just.
So what about the ID card you're having?
I bought the ID card from here when the market was still here. I did it here also. I did it
When
here.
did you buy the gun?
I bought the gun at was 2021.
And you kept it in your house since 2021.
Yes.
We used it for the first time. This year.
Before they arrested me. Nothing be
Your
like.
name again?
I'm Fred Monday.
The uniform. The arm for. The arm and the uniform.
I just it's an impersonation. I just use it to go that guy to go that place.
The only who is where?
This is the first time. Yes, I keep it at I'm not going to use it before.
Okay, so how were you arrested?
I was arrested at Logo community.
Doing what?
I was sitting there when the anti-court. Yes, I was sitting like this when the anti-court.
What was doing there before you were arrested?
They were doing a meeting where I was at the backyard.
What kind of meeting?
They were doing their school meeting.
What kind of school meeting? Because you were there with them, but you know what?
No, I was not exactly at that very particular position.
You are giving them security now. You are just giving them security.
Yes, that was it.
They
Yes.
paid you to go and give them security there.
No, that guy tell me saying go give me money, make I follow and go
You're
there.
part of them because they were doing initiation there, so you're part of them doing initiation.
Which court do you belong to?
I did not belong to any court.
How much take you for that?
If there is any question.